Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's link building strategies video, I want to discuss scholarship links for 2020. Now, scholarship links are still an effective strategy, but they're not as effective as they once were. So recently I was doing some competitive analysis for a particular affiliate site that I'm working on. And I came across a lot of these affiliate / e-commerce sites, and something was very interesting to me. So I want you to take a look at this SERP, and I'm going to lead through, and I'm going to show you an effective link strategy that you can start implementing that will certainly power up your site. Now, I want you to take a look, camera review. So we're going to scroll down. And we come across this site here because CNET and DP review, I didn't want to go for those, but I came across this one just as a quick example for you so you can take a look. And this is a review, and I opened up the site here. Now, you take a look at this site, and it's got cameras, mobiles, lenses, news and articles, which are all related to electronics and different types of electronics and news regarding new releases. And this makes a lot of sense. Now, once we go into this site, as you can see, I took this site, DxOMark, same site from here, and we did a quick backlink analysis. And what we started to find was, one, we found a lot of foreign links, but the next piece that we saw, and this is very, very common amongst a lot of sites, is a high amount of EDU links. Is the scholarship strategy still effective? And we know that it is, but we know that it could also be easily penalized. So after further examination, and I want you to take a look here. So let's find the EDUs. This particular site, ed.edu 12 links. Now, we know that the scholarship could be quite problematic, but what we have ended up finding, and this is just one site, one example with 12 EDU links, actually 13, 14, 15, because there's 12, 1, 1, and 1. But why would a truly electronic website have EDU links that are not scholarship? How are they building them? Really is the question here. And what we came to find out, and I just showed one example, was they are building resources and giving discounts to teachers and students. So you will find this a lot with these affiliate and e-commerce websites, but instead of doing scholarship link building, now we're doing EDU resource building. So this is the link building strategy for 2020 that I want to share with you that is highly effective. Now, as a side note, but they're also building out links from high authority but low power websites, and that is these foreign links. So the conclusion to this link building strategy is .edu from resource pages are highly effective for increasing rank. Along with that, high authority but low power foreign links are very successful for ranking in US SERPs. So this is my conclusion. This is my link building strategy for 2020. There's 2 tips for you. I hope that you have found this link building video to be helpful. If you have any questions about backlink building, building links, link building strategies, off-page SEO, really anything SEO, off-page SEO, or link building related, please leave it in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next link building strategies video. Have a wonderful day.